Sunday. I don't have to go school. I heard birds are chirping in my backyard. I have a big window in my living room. I came to see the birds. Oh my God, one beautiful bird sitting on my window. Another one. I was so happy. I asked them, "Are you guys hungry?" The beautiful bird came inside, sat on my furniture. I gave them food. Now guess what? Not two lots of birds in my room. I fed all of them. They are happy. All of them got out, except one. She flew out saying, "You know what? I am Talking Bird. I will be back on next weekend. Please do not tell anyone. This is our secret." No, I cannot believe this. I never seen a talking bird.